Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. Hi, this is Chef Vicky Ratnani and me along with your top favorite chefs are creating a brand new recipe for every school day. Today's recipe is Savoury Cupcakes. It is the best way to feed your kids some really nutritious vegetables. So let me show you how to create Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. Now for your savoury vegetable pancakes, I have some whole wheat flour into which we're going to be seasoning it with a little bit of black pepper and salt. Next, some really nice chopped up fresh vegetables. So we have some broccoli, we have some mixed red and green bell peppers, yellow squash, and some zucchini, which is a really good antioxidant and high in vitamin C. A little bit of baking powder and baking soda, and to give it a little bit of spice, I'm adding some dried red chilli flakes. A little bit of chopped parsley or coriander, both go really well in this recipe. Next, we add a little bit of water into this. To add a really nice zingy flavor to this recipe, I'm going to be using Kissan Tomato Ketchup to take this recipe to another level of taste and flavor. Beautiful. Let's give this a little mix. So while you are actually making this, don't forget to preheat your oven. I already have my oven which is preheating, and I have a tray with some baking paper. Now we're going to drop a little bit of this batter into our cupcake molds. So we're going to bake these now for 15 to 20 minutes at about 160 to 180 degrees until they get nice and golden brown. So our muffins are ready. Let's get ready to do the tiffin. Unsalted almonds, some fresh watermelon, and now we have some really nice savory vegetable cupcakes ready for you. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you really like it, subscribe to India Food Network. I'll be back again to show you Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. See you soon.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.